Hello, this is a video for Google to show how Gravity SMTP works, how it connects to the Google API, and basically just a bit of a tutorial of how it works. So let me go ahead and show you. So we're in our WordPress site here that anyone of our customers would have, and then they would download the Gravity SMTP plugin, click the install button. Once they've installed it, it's going to activate, and you're going to head over to the settings of the plugin. I've already put my license key in, so that's great. I'm going to turn off test mode, and I'm going to configure the integration for Google Gmail workspaces. So I need to click the icon here, click on connect to Google. So click that. It will then redirect to Google. I'm going to log in with my Rocket Genius account, and then it will redirect hopefully back to Google, and now I can send emails from my WordPress website through the Google Workspace account. I can disconnect it and reconnect it with a different one. So what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and test that. So let me install another plugin that would be on some people's websites. So for example, WooCommerce, which is an e-commerce plugin. And once that's installed, I can show you how it sends the email through the SMTP plugin and then through the Google API. So I'm just going to activate WooCommerce, and then it should be now active. And once active, I can go ahead and create a customer and an order. And so I'll just quickly do that. So I have a few that are already created here. And so I'll click on one of these that I've already previously created. And so let me see here. Actually, let me click on orders, and then I'll resend a receipt. That's probably the best thing that we can do right now. So this would send order details to customer, and so it's going to go to my email address. Click update, and that should have sent. Yes, it did. It looks like it did. Now let's head on over to the SMTP plugin to make sure it actually sent. So it did. It said sent. So I click on it, and then I can see that it sent through the Google service. It was WooCommerce, and it says it's sent successfully, and I should be able to log into my Gmail account now and actually see that it actually sent. And you can see what it looks like through here as well. And so that's an example of sending an email through another plugin on the WordPress website. Then that goes through to our SMTP plugin that is then configured to send with Gmail. So it's connected there. And we also have tools like logging, so you can keep a retention of any errors. You can do things like send a test. So let's try that. So let's send a test to my email address using the Google API. Oh, looks like it could not send to test. Please check the logs. So let me take a look at that. It's pending. So I'll have to. Oh, I know why. I think it's probably because I have a setting wrong in my here. Let me see. Yeah, so let's just rectify that real quick. Perfect. All right. And so there you go. Always live testing's good. Let's just double check. Okay, so it's pending. And let's send another test just to see if it would work. It might not work because I still have to set some things up, I think. Okay, great. So it's sent that time because I used the correct details in the configuration for Gmail. So we can go have a look at that to make sure it's sent. So it looks like it did. Perfect. So that's great. And you can see the actual email here that it was sent successfully. Okay, so that's basically a quite in-depth tutorial of how Gravity SMTP works, how it connects to Google Gmail and the workspace, and how it went through the all-off. I'll just show one more thing, how to disconnect. So you can click the disconnect from Google button, and that will then allow you to reconnect to a different Google account. And then, so I can do it through my personal email account. Actually, I can't because it's our app isn't verified yet. So once it is verified, we'll be able to send through private, personal Gmail accounts as well. Okay, so any questions, let us know. Any additional information you need, let us know. Thank you so much.